Overtraining, the silent performance killer. Are you pushing yourself to the limit, but seeing your performance decline? You might be caught in the overtraining trap. Let's break down why pushing too hard can actually hurt your athletic goals. Overtraining syndrome, OTS, occurs when you consistently train harder than your body can recover from. It's not just about being tired, it's a deeper state of fatigue and physiological stress. This imbalance between training and recovery leads to a cascade of negative effects. Think of your body like a bank account. Training is a withdrawal, and recovery is a deposit. Overtraining is like making too many withdrawals without enough deposits, eventually leading to bankruptcy. Overtraining throws your hormones out of whack. Cortisol, the stress hormone, skyrockets, while testosterone, crucial for muscle growth and recovery, plummets. This hormonal imbalance hinders muscle repair and growth. Elevated cortisol can also interfere with sleep, further compounding the problem. Poor sleep impairs cognitive function, reaction time, and overall athletic performance. Intense training can temporarily suppress your immune system. Overtraining prolongs this suppression, making you more susceptible to illness. Frequent colds and infections can derail your training schedule and hinder progress. A weakened immune system also means your body has fewer resources to dedicate to muscle repair and recovery. This further exacerbates the negative effects of overtraining. Your nervous system plays a vital role in coordinating movement and regulating energy levels. Overtraining can overload the nervous system, leading to fatigue, decreased coordination, and impaired reaction time. This neurological fatigue can manifest as difficulty concentrating, irritability, and even depression. These mental and emotional effects can significantly impact your motivation and performance. Ultimately, overtraining leads to a decline in performance. You might experience decreased strength, speed, and endurance. You might also notice increased muscle soreness and a higher risk of injury. Instead of progressing, you'll find yourself stuck in a rut or even regressing. This can be incredibly frustrating and demotivating, especially after putting in so much effort. Don't let overtraining sabotage your hard work. Prioritize recovery by incorporating rest days, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep into your training plan. Listen to your body and adjust your training load accordingly. Ready to optimize your training and recovery? Unlock your peak performance today.